Hello, dear friends in Christ. Good day to you all. I welcome you to another episode of the Word for Today. Today's reflection is taken from the Gospel according to Luke chapter 6, verses 39 to 42. And the theme for our reflection on this Friday of the 23rd week in ordinary time, year 1, is before you speak, look inward. Jesus told them a parable. Can a blind person guide a blind person? Won't they both fall into a pit? Why do you notice the splinter in your brother's eye, but do not perceive the wooden beam in your own? You hypocrite! Remove the wooden beam from your eye first, then you will see clearly to remove the splinter from your brother's eye. Have you ever looked at someone and thought they really need to change, only to realize later that you were the one with the real problem? Jesus is bold today. He is not whispering, he is warning. Before you judge, look in the mirror. Before you speak, see clearly. Jesus starts with a parable. Can a blind person guide a blind person? Will not both fall into a pit? This is more than a metaphor. In Jesus' day, blindness represented spiritual ignorance. People who thought they could lead others in truth, but were lost themselves. He is not talking about physical sight, he is talking about your heart. And he is asking you and me, how can you help others if you haven't let me help you first? Then Jesus gets even more real. Why do you see the speck in your brother's eye, but not the beam in your own? Let us break that down. In Greek, the word for speck is karpos, a tiny sliver of wood, and the word for beam is dokos, like a support beam for a roof. So Jesus is saying, you are zooming in on someone's tiny mistake while you are walking around with a log the size of a telephone pole in your own face. That is not just funny, it is devastating. It is what happens when pride blinds us. We become spiritual critics with blurred vision. Let me tell you a story. A father and son lived on a small farm. One day, the boy left the gate open and the goats escaped. The father was furious. He shouted, scolded, punished the boy harshly. But the next day, the son walked the fence line and found something. One of the fence posts had been rotting for weeks. It was the father who had ignored it. The boy came back and gently said, Dad, it wasn't just me. The fence was already broken. Suddenly, the father realized he had blamed his son for something he had failed to fix. That night, he went out, repaired the fence, and apologized. He saw his son's mistake, but now he saw his own more clearly. Jesus says, you hypocrites, remove the beam from your own eye first, then you will see clearly to help your brother. This isn't Jesus shaming us. This is Jesus freeing us. He is saying, I want to give you clear eyes, not eyes that condemn, but eyes that heal, understand, and restore. When you let Jesus deal with your pride, your wounds, your sin, you become a guide who sees, a servant who helps, a voice that speaks life. The question for us today is, what is the beam in your eye? Is it unforgiveness you have hidden behind? Is it pride you have baptized as confidence? Is it a habit you have excused because others seem worse? Jesus is ready to gently remove it, not to embarrass you, but to heal you. Let this be your prayer today. Jesus, open my eyes, show me what I have been blind to. Remove the pride, the hurt, the bitterness. Teach me to see clearly so I can love deeply. And if this message touched you, comment below. Lord, open my eyes. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.